Whether you're seeking solitude or a party, shallow waters or pounding surf, find the perfect beach in our pick of 50, from Greece to the Galapagos, the Highlands to Hawaii. 1. Baía do Sancho Fernando de Noronha, Brazil. As you walk through a small trail, you can't imagine what awaits you. The heavenly view seems like a mirage. 2. Grace Bay Beach, Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. Shimmering white sand and warm enveloping waters. The color of the water makes your heart leap. 3. Playa Paraíso Cayo Largo, Cuba. The sand is like flour. The ocean is so calm. All you need is a beach chair and a piña colada. 4. 7 Mile Beach, 7 Mile Beach, Grand Cayman. Most beautiful beach. Private, quiet, serene, amazing. 5. Flamenco Beach, Culebra, Puerto Rico. The water was so clear and blue and gorgeous against the backdrop of the mountains. You can't take a bad picture here. 6. Varadero Beach, Varadero, Cuba. Varadero Beach that never seems to end. Photographer's dream. A place in the sun that warrants returning again and again. 7. La Concha Beach, San Sebastian, Donostia, Spain. Endless sea, fine sand, spectacular views, yachts, fancy stalls, Ibiza on the horizon. 8. St. Pete Beach, Street Pete Beach, Florida. One of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been. What a fantastic vista. 9. Elefanici Beach, Elefanici, Greece. The sea was calm and beautiful. The colors are intense light blue water, pink sand. Such like a paradise. 10. Bailos Lagoon, Kissamos, Greece. One of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Stunning nature and turquoise water. The moment you get in, scores of curious fish surround you. Real bliss.